Need to export items from QuickBooks Desktop for review, reporting, cleanup, or backup? Manually copying item details can take time, especially when you need the data in Excel or CSV for bulk review or updates. In this video, I'll show you how to export items from QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today.
Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks. When prompted, authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Item records in QuickBooks Desktop are often needed outside the system for product review, price checks, inventory-related work, migration, and spreadsheet-based analysis. With SaasAnt Transactions Desktop, you can search item records, preview the results, and export them in bulk. Let's see how it works. Open SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. From the Export screen, go to the Search tab. In the QuickBooks Type dropdown, select Item. Next, choose the date type based on how you want to find the records, such as created or modified date. Then, enter the from and to date range for the items you want to export. Keep the export template as SaasAnt template. Now, click Search. SaasAnt will display the matching item records in the results grid. Here, you can review the item details before exporting. Once you confirm the records, go to the bottom right corner and choose the file format as Excel or CSV. Then click Download. Your item list will now be exported from QuickBooks Desktop in the selected format. You can use this file for review, reporting, backup, migration, or further bulk work. That's how to export items from QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. It is a simple way to pull items out of QuickBooks in bulk and work with them in a spreadsheet.